half laps laid out. Next thing we want to do is set up this table saw, which has a Dado stack blade in it, and we're going to use that to cut our half lap out. Now, basically, same thing at the miter saw, you just want to be a little bit short of the pencil line. Now all of your boards might be a slightly different thickness, so you want to take your time doing this. You want to look at it from the angle the camera is looking at it currently and come out just short of the pencil line, and make sure you roll it so you get an idea where I think I want it, but I'm going to test it first on a piece of scrap. A couple of operational points here. You want some pressure in with no junk in between the miter fence and your board. You want some slight pressure down. You're going to move this forward, keeping your hands outside of the red. Combination square again to test if it came out in a true half on my piece of scrap here that I'm working on. And it came out with a little bit, like I cut a little bit too much. If it came out that I needed to remove more, one thing is I can raise the blade and look right here to kind of gauge how much material it's going to remove. Same thing for the opposite direction. If it turned out I needed to do less, I'm going to look right there, and you can can't see it from here, but basically you're looking for that same gap to show up between the tooth and the board. So I'm pretty happy with my half lap setup right now. So I'm going to go ahead and line up the tooth kind of like we did at the miter saw. Put the tooth of the blade on the inside edge of that pencil line. We want to leave that pencil line, and I'm just going to run this straight across. Slight pressure in, slight pressure down. Alright, so I just powered that down, and you can see how long it takes for this thing to come to a complete stop. So remember that until this thing comes to a complete stop, you are the operator of this saw. Do not walk away and let anyone else walk up. And, I don't know, it gets quieter, you'll forget it's still running, and it's still very dangerous. We have this corner joint done, this half lap. We're actually going to just hop over to this corner, which is a pocket screw. So here's the half lap. Mortise and dowel. We're going to do that later, and we're just going to worry about these two pocket screws, and we're going to have two corners done.